Welcome, here I've got OPPO A74 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have to find the location option with short information, as you can see from the device, that this can display location information in the photo and the video details. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And here also the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, the location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera and take a picture. To see it, let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how our photo looks like. To check its location, let's go to the right corner at the bottom to more and pick the details. Now we can check the full address at the third position. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.